Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by getting into the hotspot controls right now. On a phone, open Settings, then Connections or Network and Internet, and tap Hotspot and Tethering. On a router, enter the admin IP, typically 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1 into a browser and log in with the admin credentials. Make sure you have the current password or phone PIN ready, otherwise you'll be locked out. Once done, locate the Wi-Fi name, SSID. Now edit the SSID and password directly. Replace the SSID with a short, unique name so other networks don't conflict. Avoid personal data. For the password, choose a strong passphrase, 12 or more characters mixing letters, numbers, and symbols, and prefer WPA2 or WPA3 security. Once you input both fields, click Save or Apply. The hotspot or router might restart and disconnect clients. Make sure to note the new credentials. You'll need them to reconnect each device. Finish by reconnecting one device to verify the new SSID and password work. If you can't access the admin panel after changes, reboot the hotspot or router and try again. If you're locked out because you forgot credentials, a factory reset restores defaults. Note this erases all settings, so only use it as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: if devices fail to connect, confirm the security mode is WPA2 or WPA3 and update firmware or phone OS. Then retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.